Draw learning. Today we are going to draw Sheriff Woody while we learn Spanish. We draw his hat, which in Spanish is sombrero. Now we draw the eyes. Eyes in Spanish is ojos. We draw his handkerchief. That is said, pañuelo. We draw the arm. Arm in Spanish is brazo. We draw his sheriff's badge. That in Spanish is said, PLACA de sheriff. Now we draw the belt. That is said, CINTURON. Let's go with the legs. Legs in Spanish is PIERNAS. Very good. We draw your boots to be a real cowboy. We finish your shirt. Shirt in Spanish is CAMISA. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say cowboy in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. We use this color for skin. Skin in Spanish is said, PIEL. Now we use the brown, which in Spanish is MARRON. We paint the pants in blue, which in Spanish is AZUL. Let's go with the yellow color. Yellow in Spanish is amarillo. Let's see if you know the answer. Cowboy in Spanish is VAQUERO. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.